probably need to hide my phone. I'll be on spotted like Burton. Like,
mate, that is so loud. What is that? No, it's not. It's an RS. Oh my god. What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm being interrupted by another ST. It's just another day being another interrupted by an ST. That thing is stupid loud. I'm going to try and talk over all the noise. But yeah, we are here today. We are at Burton Meet number 3. Oh, number 3. Last time it got shut down fairly quick by the police, but hopefully it lasts a little bit longer. It's a little bit later in the year, so there's a light. The light lasts a little bit longer, so hopefully people will be here a lot longer. People doing burnouts just on the way in. It's going to be mental. So if you haven't been to any of these meets before, I definitely recommend. Oh my god! I definitely recommend coming. It's great fun. Everyone is having a good time. And that's for sale. That's for sale. So I'm here with Matti. Matti's coming his A3. It's just here. I managed to actually park in the main bay, which is quite nice. For once, it's your boy's car. Literally just watched it on the way out, and there's already watermarks all over it. Oh man, it's not even like 6 o'clock yet. It's like 5 o'clock. Time we're here with Luke. Luke's decided to come with us. Hi. Why are you being so hostile? So Luke is actually going to be uploading for what? How long has it been?
First time in 4 months.
So Luke's going to be uploading a video. If you want to see Luke's perspective of this, I guess you could say, go to link in the description. His link will be in the description. Go subscribe because he needs them followers. Because your boy's already a YouTuber. Your boy's already a YouTuber, and we're trying to get him.
Debatable.
Well, I beg to differ. Oh. Oh. Look what he's got done as well. Look at this. I said to him, text me when you're gonna do this, and he texted me saying, "Oh, carbon fibre is on." So he actually ordered this while he was away on holiday. That thing is so loud. But yeah, if you don't remember this, we actually did a review on this. If you want to kind of watch that video, go click up here. Did a review on this. Oh boys, we got gold BMW. Gold E46. What?
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, Supra.
Supra? Dude, is it a Supra? Oh, Josh.
Oh, Chaser. Yo, I'm doing a review on that soon. So as with a lot of these meets we go to, there is a huge variety of things. We've got stuff like MX-5s, which is Luke's obviously over there. We've got your boys Audi TT. We've got your common VXRs. We've got your Civics. We've got another Civic. We've got Golfs, A3s. But then we also have nice little things like this. Oh, Supra. We've got Minis. Yeah, we've got them all. We've also got this awesome bagged A3 over here.
See that Porsche Panamera?
Where? What, there's Porsche Panamera just here?
Nice.
So Luke literally has no idea what he's doing with this camera.
No, I keep doing this.
It's been that long, Luke.
No,
it's been that long, you don't even know what he's doing.
I bring it to my chest and all of a sudden it's like, take a picture because it's touchscreen. So you take a picture, you touchscreen. So take a picture, take a picture. Luke, take a picture of this. Yeah.
Oh, take a picture. Take a picture. Luke, take a picture. Oh. Oh. Keep going. Keep. Oh no. You're flake as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Shout out. Shout out.
Shout out to Ashmore's outfit.
It's food vlog. Dude, try it. Let me try it.
He just wants reviews.
Oh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I like these type of cars because they're so unique, but this used to be like a thing in America. Just I don't understand.
Put it again.
Dude, just give it here, I'll vlog for you, dude.
Look.
Just give it here. What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Josh's POV, here, back again with another banger. Today we're at... But yeah, basically, yeah, they used to drive this. Don't you think it's crazy, like, how huge this is? Like, dude, this is the size of my house in here. It's the size of my house. It goes up to 120 as well. That must be. It literally says 120 just here.
Yeah, but that's America. If you convert that to the UK Imperial units, that's 190. What?
Oh, dude, that is so nice.
Me next year.
Yo, I follow this guy on Instagram. I'm probably going to put his link here, but I can't really remember what it is now. But yeah, this car is super nice.
Your boy Dream.
Oh, it's your boy's dream.
So nice.
S3. Oh, dude. I can't.
When your boy double bounces you on the trampoline.
Look, when they move out the way.
I told you. Where that is doing.
Yo, shout out Basecamp, bro.
Where is he? Every single meet.
Literally every meet we go to, the guy follows us. If you didn't know, this a little bit of a backstory with that car. We saw him on the motorway when we was going to a car event, and we were following him for ages. Oh, Dad. Yeah, we were following him to a meet, and every single time we see him at meets, but we have no idea who this guy is. So if you are watching this video,
I spoke to him on Facebook.
Comment. Did you?
Yeah.
I've still no idea who this guy is.
I haven't added him.
Oh.
I spoke to him and I told him I thrashed him, then he told me it's only 1.2. And when I told him I've got a black box, he shut up.
That bag day 5. Well, shout out. Oh. This is insane.
Sorry. Hey, look at that gas strut. That's so he can lift his front bonnet pump there.
Shut up.
How did he curve that?
No, dude, he's got new tyres because of all the burnouts he's been doing.
Oh shit, yeah.
No, raised his
They only do these in rear wheel drive.
So boys, it is 6:27. Oh, your boy 1JZ has just pulled in. Oh. If you guys, you need to remember this. If you haven't watched the last MFN clips, go watch the last MFN clips. You can see your boy doing a massive burnout along with his friends. It was so cool. The whole crew's here now. Nothing sounds better than a block top blow off valve, seriously. Yo, dude, if my car could make that noise, yeah, I'd be so happy. Mark my words, guys, I'm gonna find a way to make my car sound like that. Oh, I cannot get used to that noise. Oh. Yo, I wonder what happens when two SVs oh, gears in there somewhere, bro. Where the fuck is that guy going? Does he know how to drive? Dude, he's on the wrong... What the heck? What? Oh, S2000 with then kids. Oh. Yo, JDM for the boys. Oh, yes please, Dad.
That's him from
yeah, Jap Show. And Jap Show. Damn. That S2000 you haven't seen the video, click. Is it here, Matty, or here? Either one. There. Go and watch the video, because his mum literally just sits in the car revving it. It's so funny.
She screams.
That's gross. Oh, we have to cut that out.
Bleep that out.
Yeah.
Oh,
She...
What's wrong with saying green? Just trying to figure out how to put it in.
Oh.
How's the one in front of me was like that?
She wasn't able to capture the climax.
Yo, look at that orange. Yo, TT for the boys, Mark 2. Ooh. Hey. Oh.
Yeah.
Yo, Corvette has just rolled up. What? Yo, shout out Black Pearl Tattoo.
That is Randy gets a tattoo.
Yeah.
He's got an oxygen tank in case he falls into the waters. Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Did not like that.
Dog on his lap.
Why not? Why not, dude? He's got a dog on his lap.
Just a tap.
Just a tap. Yo, oi, Matty. Matty. Come down here. Dude, that guy was like, when he, why has he got a dog on his lap? And he was stat. I thought he was gonna get out of the car.
I know, I just turned
like legit. I thought that guy was gonna get out of the car and kill Matty.
He was like I wanted to say something.
I know.
To be honest with you, why is he
not hiding? I'm just like hiding down here.
Let's go stand
Just,
up, see if
yeah, see if he says anything.
Just say it again. So this could be the end of Josh's POV. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Oh no, he's going around again, dude. He's scared, bro.
Well, he wants to say something to me. I reckon.
Oh, dude, it's from my last thumbnail. Rev it then.
What are the tips you want on your end?
What, the blue ones? I just want any new exhaust. I just want any new exhaust bit. Oh, it's a rev off between. Oh my god.
Did you get that on the
line.
In England currently is expected to be a massive thunderstorm. So we're just waiting for, we're just waiting for the inevitable. I mean, it's literally all surrounding us at the minute. It's everywhere. Oh, in like an hour it's meant to rain. Great.
60% chance of rain.
Rolling cold. For the boys!
For the boys, burn up!
Yes! Yes! Oh, you see that lightning? Yo, the police are following this guy, dude.
They're gonna get this goal.
No, the police are following that guy. Yo, they're going for him. Yo, they're going for him 100%.
Yeah.
Oh, it's pulling him. Oh, mate. That is 100% a section 59. Oh! So like I said before, there's not only just Fiestas and stuff like that. Little gems. This. What is that? What is that? Oh. American muscle for the boys. Woo!
Raining.
Is it? It's just started raining. Rip. Oh. Oh my god, did you see that? Stop it. Yo, is this your car? Yo, oh my god, Jap car. Oh my god, rapping Jap cars. Dude, this, oh my god, thank you so much, dude. You're amazing.
Look at this suspension.
I love your car.
Look at this suspension, yeah?
That's actually alright. That's what MX-5s are like. Yo, do you go gym, dude?
Yeah, dude, always.
Oh, I know, because you've got that stupid water bottle. I don't know what's going on. Like, since it's raining, everyone's going mental. Oh god, dude, his clutch stings. Pretty much everybody now is leaving. People are just going because they've had enough. Obviously, it's now raining and it's all horrible and wet and gross. Yo, it is really coming down now. Oh, yo, that guy's doing a burnout as well. Yo. So, guys, thank you for watching.
Dude,
that was the end of Burton Meet number 3.
It was fucking.
It came to abrupt end, as
like
I mentioned.
Usual.
Yeah, like usual. Last time we got shut down by police. This time we got shut down by the rain. So yeah, we're now currently waiting in the car to actually physically get out of the place. There's this car this guy here that's literally been waiting there for the past
20.
Yeah, good 20 minutes. We are gonna get going now. We're gonna get in the cars and just go home and go and get something to eat because I'm hungry. But yeah, that was the end of the Burton Meet. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I kind of enjoyed myself. It was a fairly good day, but obviously the rain had to make it. But yeah, I guess that's the price you pay for living in England. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in any other videos like this, make sure as well you go down to this. Make sure you go to my channel, watch some more videos. There is so many other videos on my channel to do with this, where it doesn't rain as well, which is great, which is a bonus. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button and show me some love, and as well press that bell icon because you'll be notified with some videos. But yo, he hates you, dude. That little kid, mate, that little kid hates you. Oh my God. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh, that has been Matty, that has been Luke, it's over there, and that was our POV. Peace out.
Say you wanna get away.
Oh my God, why is it so funny, dude? What the hell was that? Did you hear that?
Hold tight on that.
Look at you trying. Why are you flicking your tongue as well? I'm literally dead, bro. I'm gonna flick it tongue.
We don't need a plane, I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time, no